For today's vlog, iluluto na ni Jan ang ating brine turkey. Ito yung turkey na sinoke natin sa brine mix na ginawa ni Jan kahapon. Kaya siguradong puno ito ng lasa. If gusto ninyong itry ito, ilalagay ko ang complete recipe ng brine mix sa description below ha. Super dali lang gawin ito guys, promise. Perfect pang level up ng inyong roasted turkey at maging extra juicy at malasa. Ang gagawin nyo lang, i-mix nyo lang sa water ang mga ingredients like salt, lemon, bay leaf, pepper, garlic at onion. After that, pakuluan nyo lang and once kumulo na, palamigin nyo completely bago ilagay ang turkey. Ilagay nyo lang ang turkey sa ziplock or container, then ibuhos ang brine and make sure na nakasubmerge siya. After that, ilagay sa ref ng 24 hours para talagang manuot ang lasa sa loob. Try nyo ito guys! Paniguradong magugustuhan ng buong pamilya ninyo ang resulta. Let's go! Lutuin na natin!
Let me just give it a little brush.
It's time for sugar sick merienda.
Uh-oh.
Ito na nga pala yung brine turkey natin. Papahiran lang ni Jan ito ng butter all over.
Oven set on 500 degrees. I'm going to do that for 20 minutes. And then I'm going to reduce the heat to 325. And I think this birdie will need to cook for about an hour. Maybe a little bit more, but
1 hour you said?
20 minutes. Reduce the heat to 325.
Okay. Ito yung merienda ko ngayon. May mga nabili pala ako kanina na blueberry at saka raspberry. Hugasan ko lang muna ito. And then pagkatapos ay i-mix ko dito yung homemade yogurt ni Jan. Ito yung paborito kong merienda o healthier. At ang lalaki. Ay, ang tamis! So sweet!
They're good. Very often they're good.
Guys, it's merienda time at meron ako ditong blueberries and raspberries. Partneran ko ito ng homemade yogurt. Ayan, nagawa ni Jan. Very nutritious. Ayan. Kain tayo. Perfect merienda. Sarap. Need water. And my sugar sick food. This is my sugar sick food, guys. Beautiful. Wow. Love it. We're not really used to, hanging out outside. I don't know why.
I don't know why either.
We have a beautiful backyard. Masarap tumambay ngayon guys kasi maganda ang panahon, malamig, medyo mahangin. Pero ninanamnam na namin ito guys dahil sa susunod na mga araw at mga weeks ay magiging mainit na ulit dito sa Florida. Windy. Not so much. Favorite ko to. Guys, thank you for joining our daily vlog for today ha. I really appreciate it. Kahit na maka 20k views ako a day, okay na talaga ako. Makakabayad na ng kuryente. It's really good, especially with yogurt. This is my favorite merienda talaga guys and healthier pa. Sa mga hindi nakapanood guys kung paano gawin yung homemade yogurt ni Jan, gagawa na lang ulit ako ng separate video ha, tapos lalagyan natin siya ng description. Tapos minsan itong chicharon guys, sinasawsaw ko siya sa yogurt. Sobrang sarap niya na combination. This is really good. Bawal ito sa akin pero it's really good eh. Hindi ko naman siya inaaraw-araw guys. I eat chicharon once in a while. Pero hindi naman siya ganun kadami din yung kinakain ko. Siguro mga 2 piraso, 3 piraso. Pwede naman na yan siya. Pero na-realize ko guys, no, parang naghalo-halo yung merienda ko. Naman may fruits, may yogurt, and then may plantain chips, tapos may chicharon. Maghalo-halo naman siya sa tiyan nakin guys. Guys, ito yung update sa ating turkey. Malapit na siyang maluto. 33 minutes. Malayo pa pala. Videohan ko muna. Ayan, oh. Wow! Yan yung dinner natin. Magpapagawa din ako kay Jan ng gravy. Siyempre, masarap talaga ang turkey pag may gravy.
Chop some garlic, chop some thyme, and I'm gonna make some gravy. Make sure there's no band-aids in there. No band-aids are still on my finger. Oh, my olive oil's staring at me. So I just do this and let it rest for a while. Out of oil, of course. And then after a half hour or so, I will spread this on the artichokes and grill them, and then proceed to move and make some mushroom gravy. All right, everybody, time to make the gravy. Then I'm going to take some flour, a couple tablespoons plus. Take some chicken stock. This is basically my slurry. Instead of making a roux, it'll be a slurry. That's to thicken the sauce. I'm gonna make a big batch of mushroom sauce to go with that big old turkey breast. You can never eat too many mushrooms. Maybe I'll use this a little bit. And get my fire going. Garlic and my thyme oil. Let that come up to temperature. A little bit of chicken syrup. Add the mushroom. There's some chicken stock. Bring that back up to a boil, and then we'll work on putting in our slurry. For somebody! Put the flour in. Definitely not keto, but we're okay. That's delicious. And give it a splash of soy sauce just for fun. Okay, next up, it's time to grill the artichokes. They're already cooked, so they just need a little bit of color from the grill. Manok!
Manok, ang laki-laki.
It's pavo, it's no manok.
Oh, it's pabo?
Mm-hmm.
Ang laki ng pabo! Wow! Dinner natin tonight.
Look at that color.
So pretty, guys. Look at that. Wow! We're not really always eating turkey, no? Because this is special for like Thanksgiving, right? Turkey is for Thanksgiving.
Yeah, but it's on sale.
On sale because matagal pang Thanksgiving.
The turkey costs less than a chicken.
Exactly. Sarap talaga, darling, no?
They get a lot of money for a chicken. But when it's clearance time, turkey's like $1 a pound.
Sarap.
Very sarap.
Try the brine mix. You will love it.
With everything. All your poultry.
Thank you.
All right, dear.
Mag-edit muna ako, guys, kasi behind na ako. What time is it?
6:16.
Okay. Still have time. My upload is 12 o'clock.
Are you gonna have rice?
Hala ka, may gravy pa talaga, guys. Masarap talaga ito pag may gravy. You're gonna slice it, darling.
I'm gonna slice it.
Wow. Dip it. Yan, guys. Oh. Wow. This is so good. Hala. Yung gravy na mas masarap pa sa KFC. Dip natin ang artichoke, ha? Huwag ngayong makalala, hindi ko binalik, ha? Wow! Sarap! Guys, grabe.
Dark meat,
Wow.
white meat.
Guys, gawin niyo talaga yung brine. You will love it. Kuha mo na akong lagayan ng gravy natin.
Oh, you already have dark. I don't care. Here, have some more.
Maglalagay tayo ng gravy.
It's delicious.
It's really delicious. This is for John. This is for mine. Konting kanin lang sa akin. Kain tayo, guys! Ang sarap talaga. Gawin nyo to, hindi kami mapapahiya dito. Sa pag-recommend sa inyo. Na gawin nyo itong kahit walang gravy, masarap siya. Even without gravy, masarap siya. It's extra delicious with gravy. By the way, ang daming nag-order ng Trader Joe's bags. Grabe, sobrang overwhelming talaga guys. Ang dagsa ng mga orders not only in the Philippines but also here in the United States and even Canada and may mga ibang bansa pa nga guys pero hindi ko na ma-accommodate. Kaya naman maraming salamat sa inyo. Bumalik kami sa store kanina guys no pero sold out na sila. Kahit na 2 box yung binili namin guys na additional na sold out pa din guys. Kaya naman maghanap ulit tayo ng panibagong store na mabilhan natin. Maraming salamat talaga sa inyong suporta sa amin ni John. Sobrang dami ng order ng ating Trader Joe's bag. Si Orienda Balloons, Marilo Valencia, Nika Segovia, Maria Agatip, si Winnie, si Lenny, si Maria Roloso Romon, Rosso, si Mia, Merly, Joanne, Mamida. Sino pa nandito? Sobrang dami talaga na ng order.
So.
Overwhelming ang support ninyo.
Thank you guys. We love your support.
Di namin magagawa ito pag wala kayo dyan. Hi guys, good morning. 6:01 in the morning. Hindi ko naubos yung tea ko kagabi. At si John ay hindi na naman naglinis. Mga basiyo sa beer niya, nandito lang. Ayan. Prep lang ako ng coffee. Hindi ko naubos yung aking lemon ginger na tea. Last day ng medication. Pero nag-order na ako. Allopurinol para sa gout ko. Minsan kasi nakakalimutan ko mag-order ahead of time. Hindi ko namamalayan na low na pala ako sa medication. Pag matanda na talaga, makakalimutin na talaga. So, sabi ni John, 4 scoops of coffee. Tignan natin yung mga babies natin, guys. Nandito na ba sila? Check natin. Uy, nandyan na nga. Aabang na nga. Oh? Alam niya talaga na nandito na yung daddy niya. Saan yung isa? Saan yung isa? Midnight. Hi! Hey, lovely! Hey, lovely! Oh, Midnight! Hi, Midnight! What about Midnight? This is my lovely Midnight. Go get your food. Because I know that you're already hungry. Don't trip me. Palagi talaga yan siyang nasa atubangan na mo guys. Magsito siya ng lambod-lambod sa tiil. Hapil-hapil sa tiil. Mauna pa kayong kakain sa amin. Swerte kayo ng mga iringan niya. Kaya mauna pang kakain sa amin. I-empty muna natin yung ating sasakyan guys kasi maglalagay tayo dito ng mga branches. Kasi kaninang umaga, maagang nagising si John, pinutulan niya or nag-trim siya doon sa hedge natin, nandun sa kabilang side or sa likod ng bahay namin. So, instead of maghakot-hakot kami pa isa-isa, ilalagay na lang natin dito sa ating sasakyan. Nagmamadali na kasi kami guys kasi ngayon yung pick up ng vegetation. So kailangan mahakot na natin kaagad yun kasi baka dumaan na yung mga maghakot ba. Mamaya na lang tayo magkape pagkatapos. Sobrang dami na nag-order ng Trader Joe's bags. I think umabot na ng 50 pieces. So kailangan na naman nating bumalik ngayon. Siguro mag-reorder ako ng 100 pieces kung pwede. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa may parting likod ng bahay namin guys. And puntahan natin yung mga hedge na pinutol na dyan kanina. May gloves dito. Good morning. Papunta kami ngayon sa korte guys dahil pinapatawag si John. Ito po ay dahil sa kaso nung kanyang ex-partner ni John. Magkukwento lang ako briefly guys ha kung ano yung nangyari sa previous ex. O sa mga nagtatanong pala, a lot of questions. Did you have wife or kids or what? To answer the question, it's no. Wala po si John naging asawa or wala po siyang naging anak. Okay? Pero, nagkaroon po si John ng long-term relationship for 18 years. Nagkaroon yan si John ng partner na lalaki din siya guys from Ecuador dear no? Ecuador. So, ngayon, kukwento ko lang briefly guys ha kasi hindi naman natin na dapat binabalikan we don't want to really talk about what happened or bakit ganun yung nangyari sa ex-partner ni John. Pero para mabigyan lang kayo ng idea, si John po nagkaroon ng long-term relationship at hindi nangyaring maganda sa kanya. Okay? Itong kanyang partner pala is nangaliwa. O, sabihin na lang natin na ganun, nangaliwa. And I think he's been doing that for years. Even when he was in his back in his country, you know, maybe he was doing the same thing. Possibly. But we're not really 100% sure about that. So dito pala, nagdadala pala siya ng lalaki. Nung buhay pa siya guys ha, nagdadala siya ng lalaki sa bahay. That's why right now John is doing all the before there was no camera in the house, there was no CCTV.
There was.
Oh, there was?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, but you don't want, but you didn't check CCTVs all the time.
No, it wasn't. It was the original one. It didn't alert me when people were coming in and out.
It's not high-tech. It's not as high-tech.
Right. It's basically just for if something happens, you can go back and look.
Like there's crime or whatever.
Yes.
So, yun pala guys, this camera kasi that we have right now, if it detects a person, it will beep or it will give a sound to John's phone or whatever. So, yung previous kasi is luma kasi walang notification. So, ito palang ex ni John, nagdadala pala ng lalaki sa bahay. So, he's been to the house. No, the guy been to the house.
He'd been to the house. I knew that. I knew
Mm-hmm.
that because when we found him on Facebook, there's pictures
Picture of the house ni John.
of him
Nakita.
inside the house.
Ayun, nakita sa picture ng lalaki na nandoon, bahay ni John, nakita doon. So ayun guys, to cut the story short, may hindi nangyaring maganda sa kanya. 2018, February of 2018, nakita siyang wala ng buhay, nasa sasakyan, he was in the car, nakita siyang wala ng buhay sa sasakyan niya. At yun, yung suspect na huli naman na din, and nakakulong pa rin siya for 8 years already in the prison. Pero wala pa ring verdict, and hopefully ngayon mabigyan na siya ng hustisya, no? Actually guys, sa totoo lang nag-uusap kami ni John kung ano pa rin yung nararamdaman niya. Like right now, dear, do you feel he has still a special part in your heart, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Hindi talaga basta-basta mawawala yan guys kasi for 18 years ba naman na magkasama kayo. Although may hindi siya magandang nagawa, no, it doesn't mean na mawala na kaagad yung pagmamahal mo sa kanya.
It's just shocking how he got himself in that position.
Exactly. So, advice ko lang sa inyo, if you know somebody who's been doing that kind of thing, okay, who's going through that kind of relationship, no, please do not tolerate them, especially for friends. That's what happened with friends.
Yes.
Kasi yung friend nila, hindi ko na lang babanggitin ang pangalan kasi baka manood ngayon, pumupunta sa bahay, even kisses dyan, beso-beso,
Yeah.
beso-beso, pero
Pretend.
pretend, pinapanigan niya ang mali. No? Alam pala niya ang ginagawa ng best friend niya, tinotolerate niya. Do not tolerate your friend because at the end of the day, there will be consequences for all your wrongdoings. Right?
Yes.
So, as early as now, pagsabihan ninyo ang inyong mga kaibigan kung may ginawang tama, no? Because if you don't love the person anymore, tell them straight to their face, I don't love you anymore. Okay? I think it's better if we part ways, if we break up.
But then if he did that, he would have lost. Because he's got a place to stay, everything's good on that part of the relationship. If he was to break away from me, he wouldn't have anything. He would have no place to go. He'd have to buy his own apartment or whatever because he's not.
No, but I think in my opinion, it's, I don't know, if you don't love the person,
Oh, you should move on. But
yeah,
there's
you should move on.
reasons that it doesn't happen. You just hide and lie for as long as you
Hide
can.
and lie, yes. So parang ginamit niya lang si John. I don't want to say the term, but I think he used you. I don't know.
Yeah, I was used for sure.
Kasi para lang may bahay naman si John, may sasakyan, may magandang trabaho. Pero ang ex-partner ni John was also hardworking, right dear? He's also hardworking in his own job. No, it's just that yung pera niya lang ginagamit niya, yun pala nangangaliwa pala siya, and then hindi na malaya ni John. I think John was too what do you call that in English? Complacent. I think John was too complacent and he was too busy working. Without realizing na may ginagawang hindi maganda yung kanyang partner. That's why right now, I cannot blame John if there's a CCTV or what, but it doesn't mean that baka magluko ako or what. Hindi ko naman iniisip na ganun, guys, no? Pero syempre, to protect, hindi lang sa akin, syempre sa kay John din. So ayun, guys, that's what we're doing today. We're going to have parang mock interview. I think district attorney ang kakausapin ni John ngayon, and then ipapaliwanag kung ano yung gagawin.
Going to the state's attorney's office.
State's attorney, kasi first time din kasi ni John sa witness stand. Actually, guys, hindi naman na talaga kailangan si John kasi they have sufficient evidence na, pero I'm not sure bakit pa nila ipapatawag si John, no? Siguro for document purposes or what, documentary purposes. 10 o'clock yung appointment ni John, 9:35 na, I think 20 minutes to get there.
69 for diesel.
Ayan, 569. What is our car using?
Premium. So it's
Which
going to be
is?
60 cents more than the regular.
Okay. So it's more than 659.
Yes. No,
Ah.
that's diesel, 659.
Okay.
The other ones,
Where is ours? It's not there.
they never post it. They only do the regular and the diesel.
Oh, okay. So it's a surprise.
Yes.
We're at the area now. However, it's kind of struggling to find parking, where to go.
Well, I'm not close enough yet.
Oh, okay.
All the road closures and detours.
John ran the red light, and there was a cop looking at him. I think the cop understood.
Probably.
Because the other guy stopped for 2 red lights already.
Yeah, they're
I
not
don't know why the red light
not
is
even
very quick.
trying
It's
to
like
go.
seconds.
They're
The
not
red light
even
was like
trying.
seconds.
It's like they're on vacation at the
Right.
light.
They're in La La Land.
It's really bad. Gets worse every year,
Mhm.
every day.
So nag-red light na, guys. May car sa unahan namin. Nag-red light because ang tagal niyang gumo. No? Ngayon, nag-green na. Nag-red light na ulit. Hindi pa rin siya. Ay, nako, si John na lang. Umikot na lang siya doon sa sasakyan at nakita siya ng pulis. Buti na lang the police is very understanding. Kasi ang pulis din minsan, guys, no? imbis na magpatupad ng batas yung pulis, sila pa yung papagalitan ng mga motorista. Imbis na ang pulis ay para sa mga pangkalinaw, no? Dito parang sila pa yung minamaliit pa. Late na si Jan sa kanyang appointment, guys, and hopefully tatanggapin pa rin siya ngayon. Every time na may street kami nalilikuan, gridlock, may mga aksidente, may mga pulis, may mga ganito ganyan. Ang daming drama dito, guys. Dito na tayo, maghahanap tayo ng parking. Yung mga ganitong pagkakataon sana, guys, na malilate na si Jan, maghahanap pa siya ng parking, no? Sana kung marunong ako mag-drive, ako na sana yung maghahanap ng parking. Ako na sana ang magpa-park ng sasakyan.
She just wants to make sure that I'm ready.
For the question.
Yeah.
So here.
Yeah, the boat shows $40 to park.
But for the district attorney, free?
Oh, yes. I think so.
Hi guys, kakauwi lang namin ng bahay and prepare lang tayo ng lunch ngayon. Hi big boy! Nakapag-order pala ako kanina guys ng 100 pieces. Pero as you all know, na sold out po ito kanina kaagad nung nag-live ako. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-order. And keep sending your orders guys. Pero hindi ito guaranteed guys. Huwag kayong mag-alala, maghahanap pa kami ng ibang Trader Joe's stores na malapit sa amin. At tignan natin, hopefully walang limit yung pag-order ng Trader Joe's tote bag para ma-accommodate ko lahat ng mga nagpa-reserve sa akin. Ayan, kasi itong 100 pieces, actually 120 kasi nakabili ako kahapon ng 20 pieces. Sold out na talaga ito guys. Hindi ko man anticipate na marami ang mag-order. Sana pala 200 pieces yung in-order ko kanina. Gagawa lang si Jan guys ng turkey sandwich gamit yung leftover turkey natin. What about you? 2 pieces also? Let me just...
Yeah, if I can't eat it, then it's okay.
It's okay. Yeah, it's always good to have extra. And cheese, right? On top.
Cheese, you can find the mayonnaise, you can find the ketchup.
I can grate this one.
Uh-huh.
May kita pala kami ni Inday Roning kanina guys dun sa Trader Joe's. Namimili din siya ng bag. Mag-isa lang siya, hindi niya kasama yung mga anak niya. I think
That's good.
Part.
Last part. It's not turning, that's good.
Mas masarap ito i-dip dito ang ano, fries. Luto na. You need a knife? Or no?
Yes.
Sausaw sa gravy. Fries na isawsaw sa gravy. Ang sarap talaga ng french fries pag isawsaw mo siya sa gravy, guys.
How's our sandwich?
Bread, we use the keto bread, which is very nutritious. Wow! Ang sarap! Turkey sandwich na ginawa ni Jam. With sauerkraut,
Turkey Reuben.
turkey Reuben, with sauerkraut, and lots of cheese. Mmm. Mmm.